Have you started decorating for the Christmas season yet? And I'm not talking about presents, though those are important. I'm actually talking about decorating, or more specifically, 3D decorating. 3D decorating? 3D decorating? Point is, you have a 3D printer, so why not use it, right?
Well, duh.
Well, that got me thinking about what may be out there that we can all use around the house, the office, the schoolroom, whatever it is. And it's not just about what you can print. Don't forget to have fun with all those filaments you have laying around, especially those half-empty spools. Get creative and break out some of those special ones you've been saving up. Like these 2 spools of filament from Ujoy Bio 3D, who sent them over for me to try out. They sent a metallic silver PLA and a white hyper PLA, and these are definitely going to get used for some Christmas decorations. Well, I was pretty intrigued by a company having Bio in the name, and I hadn't heard of Ujoy Bio 3D previously, but that's because they're relatively new to the American market, and apparently they're doing their best to make a filament that breaks down a lot better than some of the others. That's a big task to take on, and I really hope they can achieve it. And I hope it prints some really awesome things. Speaking of printing awesome things, let's decorate. That's not something I ever thought I'd say here.
Dude, now this is getting weird.
Well, first up, there's the obvious, ornaments. Did you know that there are hundreds and hundreds of ornament designs on MakerWorld, Thingiverse, Things, and all the others, and a lot of them you can customize. You can put your name or your kids' names or your pets' names, but what about your company name, your school, your church, your next door neighbor?
Hey buddy, you okay?
Well, first up is this awesome customizable knitted Christmas stocking ornament. The designer even added a Tinkercad link and an Instructables link for more information on how she made it and more. You should also be able to make the text changes or add-ons in just about any slicer. And by the way, coloring by height for a filament swap, even on my Bamboo P1S, well, that saved me about 50%, not just in time, but in filament. So be sure to try out all your options. I didn't want to forget my little doggy Max for Christmas, so when I found this paw print customizable ornament, I just had to include it. You'll get a 3MF and an STL file for customizing, and just like the previous ornament, this one's set up perfectly for a filament swap or multicolor printing. Now, did you know that you can customize right inside MakerWorld, like this customizable Snowflake Christmas ornament? Of course, you can always download the files, which I do recommend in case the page ever disappears. The designer even included an OpenSCAD file if you're familiar with that. Now, I will say though, the customizer on MakerWorld isn't really the easiest thing to work with, but it gets the job done. And just be sure to have your text touching the line, or you're going to end up with a bunch of letters on the floor instead of inside your ornament. Well, next I got to thinking about how we can make those presents look better as well. So why not wrap or box them up in a 3D printed enclosure? And these could be for any occasion depending on the colors you choose. In the 3D printing world, there's a few designers that really just stand out, which means you've probably heard of them or at least their designs. And Joe, better known as 3D Printy, is just such a designer. All of his designs, no matter where you get them, they're free to use or sell. And one of those that fits this category perfectly is his twist lock present. Well, just like any normal box that you use to hide your presents in, this one kind of needs to be the right size. And that's why you're going to be able to 3D print quite a few different sizes and styles of this box. But what isn't normal is the twist. You don't just pull the lid off this gift box. You have to give that bow on top just a little bit of a twist. And that means that the fun starts long before anyone gets to the actual present inside. Joe has included lots of instructions as well as his awesome YouTube videos. Colors always print separate on his designs, and he does his best to never use supports. So it's a gift to you and your 3D printer too.
You know that thing's not alive, right?
Now, another very similar design, but without the twist, is this Harmony Craft gift box, also using that metallic silver. And speaking of colors, all the pieces are designed to be printed separately, and then it just snaps together and the lid just drops right into place. Now, I haven't upsized this one, but I believe it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Just be careful that you don't go too far with it. If you do try though, let us know how it turned out in the comments. Well, just like ornaments, there are way too many similar gift boxes out there, so I was trying to find something a little different, and wow. This one I really think looks great. Not only is it not a box per se, but the pieces also print separately, and that gives you a lot of options for colors. And this one is most definitely made for Christmas, but you know, remixing is allowed, so if you're handy in Fusion 360 or similar programs, well, you should be able to change out those trees for something else. Maybe a name, a flower, something geometric. Have fun. But just be sure to post your remix and give credit to the original designer. Ornaments, gift boxes, well, those are all great and they're sort of decorations, but what about really decorating? You know, like this wonderfully festive Christmas door topper. I have to say, when I first saw the pics for this one, I thought, here we go. This one's definitely going to be a multicolor print. But looking at the description, well, they tell you right away that the designer was thinking ahead. All these colors and all those layers and everything, they're set up for you perfectly to do a filament swap. And if you have a multicolor printer, well, you already know that that's going to save you some time too. Another awesome holiday decoration for your house is this absolutely incredible snowman from, once again, 3D printing. But it's not just for Christmas. My wife loved this huge one that I printed a few years ago, and it's actually been in our den ever since. That's up to you. There are now so many variations on this snowman print that you're going to have to take some time and look at them all. There's Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Easter, and well, don't miss all the remixes and add-ons that all the other people have been making. A few years ago, I made over 50 little versions of this one for Christmas presents, and I'm still having people tell me how much they love them. Big, little, Christmas, or not, these snowmen, well, they're actually one of my favorite prints. One more decoration for your house or the car. Well, not actually on the car, but little pet G, and you could put it inside the car. And what I'm talking about are these Christmas license plates. They're absolutely perfect if you have some vintage Christmas decor going on, or even if you don't. I love that they give you 3 different sayings, including candy cane, ho ho ho, and a bah humbug. The date is included on there, December 25th, but the 3MF file has it separated, so if you decide to change that up, it should be easy enough if you want to put the year. Now this one is definitely set up for multicolor filament due to the green behind the date. Except I played with it and it's easy just to do the red color behind it on the main plate and go back to white for the tops of the date, which are sticking up perfectly. Honestly, I think that makes it a little more Christmassy.
I don't like that word.
Now I know I said I think that was the last one, but I can't really help myself. I recently did a tutorial video on creating your own spiral Vortex Fidget type toy, and I'll admit I've printed way too many, but it never occurred to me to make it into a Santa hat. No supports, no brim, 15% gyroid infill, and a crazy simple design. You can even print each part as a single color for a swirling effect, or you can do a filament swap on the top of the middle piece for a white puff, and then do a filament swap on the bottom of both pieces to kind of make them match. But whether you decorate or play with this hat, or give it as a gift in a 3D printed box, well, Spiral Vortex prints, they're just too cool. Okay, like I said, that's just a fraction of the thousands of Christmas holiday prints. There are so many out there. And you could print them all. Well, maybe not all, but still, I hope you're finding tons of awesome things to print and share, especially during this season. Also, this is a great time for you to try out some new filaments on all your creations, like these 2 that I got sent over from UJoy Bio 3D. What'd you think about those colors? I think they turned out great and they printed really nicely. Was a little surprised that the white came out kind of a cream color, but honestly, I think that fits in with that whole vintage Christmas vibe. Thanks again to UJoy for sending them over to try out, and I'll put a link down in the description with their page and information. Well, I hope you all have a safe, awesome 3D printing holiday season, and if you have an incredible print to share, please just drop it down in the description and let us all know about it. Let's help each other out in Santa's 3D print lab as we continue to learn, create, and amaze.